Here's another quick recipe from our dietitian, Simone.
I have with me today a beautiful block of tasty cheese. Cheese is terrific for protein and calcium, and they're both important for your bones and your teeth. This piece of cheese is going to go perfectly in my corn, cheese and chive muffins. Today we're going to bake tasty savoury muffins, perfect for breakfast, lunch or a snack. Firstly, line a muffin tray with paper patty pans. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees. In a bowl, beat 3 eggs and add in the extra virgin olive oil. To add some vegetables to these muffins, add in a can of cream corn, or you could use corn kernels. Add 3/4 cup of cheese, paprika, chives, milk and mix together. In a separate bowl, mix the flour and 4 scoops of enchanted vanilla powder, which provides protein and 28 vitamins and minerals to help keep your body strong and healthy. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet and mix until it makes a thick batter. Spoon the mixture into patty pans and sprinkle with the remaining cheese. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Turn the muffins onto a wire rack and cool slightly. They're particularly delicious served warm. For this great versatile recipe, be sure to grab some enchanted vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.